This is how it feels like I'm doing it. Like when you swallow, try to make it. This is hard to explain, but try to make it so your spit is like going like right here.
Sam, what the fuck? That's fucking.
Wait.
Fucking weird.
Okay, do it again. Do a good one.
Weird.
Do it again.
Yeah, dude. Hey,
I'm trying to get one as good as that first one. That was weird.
I don't know how I'm doing it. I just don't. But it's like I'm swallowing. That's all I'm doing. But it's like I'm forcing my swallowing to happen all right here.
That's some loud swallowing.
Positive.
You can just do it, one after the other.
I can also.
Oh, wait, do that again.
Mine is nothing.
Also, I can like burp inwardly.
Me too.
Oh, let's hear that.
No, I mean, it like causes me to like feel like I'm gonna throw up or something.
Ew.
That's what it is.
I can burp. Ew.
It like, cause it's like cold air going in, right? Yeah. Weird. It's weird.
I can burp on
But the thing is, if I do that too often.